Hey YouTube, Do-It-Yourself Junkie 369 here. This is a quick fun video I threw together to show the different sound levels of .22 ammunition. In this test I'm using a .22 caliber air rifle as sort of a baseline. It is a Beeman Grizzly X2 capable of muzzle velocities up to 830 feet per second when firing in the .22 caliber version. It actually comes with two barrels, 17 and 22. I used the 22 over the 17 because it's much slower than the speed of sound, and I won't get the sonic crack off the pellet as would be the case with the 17. The rest of the rounds fired will use the Remington 12C. This one was built in 1921. It's a pump action with a tubular magazine capable of firing .22 short, long, and long rifle. It has a 24-inch barrel. To take the sound readings, I used a decimeter app on my cell phone, positioned 1.5 feet in front of the muzzle, 1 foot below it, and 1 foot to the left. The ammunition is all manufactured by CCI. I will be firing in order the long rifle quiet, the short target, the long high velocity, and the long rifle mini mag high velocity. As you can see in this chart, every difference in 10 decibels is the same as doubling the noise level you actually perceive. Here are the measured results from least to greatest with the change in perceived sound level noted next to the actual decibel reading. Here's the target I fired at. I fired all the rounds from the rifle without adjusting the sights to try to get an idea of what the difference in impact between rounds is. The different holes are labeled. PR stands for pellet rifle, S is for the shorts, L for longs, LR for long rifle, and SS is the subsonic round. It seems that this rifle likes the faster rounds and groups those closer together, such as the long rifle, which others have that own this type of rifle have noted the same thing as well. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos. I will be adding one on what deer hear versus its reaction time for bow hunting, and a test on whether or not number 6 shot will over penetrate in a home defense situation in the next couple weeks. Have a good day.